Hello everybody, what's up? All right. What's up everybody? All right, we're sitting inside of a 2016 Audi A3 e-tron. Gray in color. Let's crank her up, right? All right. Audi e-tron. What do we have here, right? This is basically a hybrid. Some may call it electric, right? Electric. But this is basically a great mix between electric and hybrid and gas and all that stuff, right? Anyways, right, we're running off of gas, but then also running off of electric, so it's hybrid. And I really don't know everything about it, but what I will do for you today is I will take you on a test drive in it with me and let you see what the Audi e-tron is all about as far as driving it down the road and all. So hopefully that will be helpful to you. Anyways, so the interior layout is quite nice, right? Looks really good. The fit and finish is always superb with Audi. From the seats to the dash, to even the simplest of things, like right here, man. These are so cool. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Just how that looks right there. You know? Off, on. Off, on. You know? Another thing that I'd like to mention about Audi is every little thing that you touch and click has a certain sound to it. Like this right here, listen. If you can hear that, everything's got a sound. Also, the way that these things are designed are really nice. Anyways, even this right here, listen. Just that little tick sound. It makes the car feel like a more quality vehicle, a more higher end vehicle. You know, I mean, just everything about it is nice. Anyways, that's all I really got to say about it. Is it's just a nice, clean, well-built vehicle. So I'm gonna quit talking for a minute. Let's go ahead and take it down the road. But again, a 2016 Audi e-tron with 69,000 miles on it. This one is on sale right now for $18,990. $18,990. Tilt telescope steering wheel, quite nice. I like that. The steering wheel's got a really nice look about it. I love the look of it. I like looking at the steering wheel and seeing the rings. It feels good, all that stuff. Navigation system not installed. What's up here? Come on, let's at least go to a menu. That'll look a little better, right? That is very simple, isn't it? Very simple. Anyways, that's nice. The steering feels good. You definitely got some pickup. The wonderful sound of a moped going down the road. Isn't that nice? Man, I'll tell you, you see a lot of mopeds cruising around this part of town here. They are like just as popular as four-wheeled vehicles, you know? Everybody just gotta have a moped, man. Anyways, it's okay. You know, the price of mopeds, they're not very expensive. But and you know, a lot of people still got to have transportation, whether they can afford a car or not. Well, here's the thing. The nice thing about a moped is, you know, you don't even have to have a driver's license. You can get on your moped and roll out, you know. That's just the way it be sometimes, right? Anyways, these videos, I call them POV videos, because basically it's a point of view, right? We're strapping the GoPro on the head and going. Unfortunately, sometimes I start talking off subject Brakes feel good, acceleration feels good. So from what I gather is you can actually still plug this car in and get yourself about a 30-mile charge, which, you know, some people may say, well, 30-mile range is just not enough. Yeah, I get it, you know. Some of y'all out there that got your Teslas or whatever you got that's like a full electric vehicle, you know, with 250 miles of range, great. But though, this is actually 30 miles of range, really, if you think about it. If you live within a few miles from work, you know, I mean, 30-mile range could do a little bit for you, right? I mean, that's a day or two of driving if you're just driving a few miles each way to work every day. So think about it in something like that, you know, 30 miles of range. I can go home, park it, plug it in, charge it back up, you know, every few days there, and just keep rotating through. Still got the gas engine if I want to use that, but I mean, you could really consolidate on fuel consumption with this car quite a bit, you know. We got a full tank right now, gives us 365 miles. All right, let's take a look at the outside, right? That's always an exciting part of this car. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and cut our headlights on and off so we can see what they look like. And I'm going to cut the fogs on and cut the blinkers on. So, I mean, basically an Audi e-tron is basically a Audi A3, but more of a electric Audi A3, right? I mean, come on, you know, basically this is a Audi A3. It looks just like an A3, but it's the e-tron. It's pretty cool, you know, it's kind of neat. Now this is kind of neat right here. Check this out. There's a way that works, but trying to show you. And I know I'm totally doing it wrong, but I'll come back to that in a minute. But basically that opens up right there, and that's where you plug in at. But yeah, it's got a nice look about it. I like the tinted windows. Got a nice clean top up here. It's got a nice look about it. It really does. This one's actually in really nice shape, condition-wise. The body's in good shape. The only flaw on it is right here. It's got some damage just right there. Obviously, somebody backed up into something. You got plenty of storage in the back. Back seats fold down for more space. Whoa, what is that? Yeah. Yeah, pretty nice looking car though, you know? Not too bad, you know, it looks pretty good. Let's cut her off real quick. Let's see. Well, if you want to put gas in it, it's on the other side. There you go. That's your gas tank. And what it says here, unleaded fuel only, gasoline premium or super. So premium is 91 or super at 95. That's what they suggest you use in this car. So let's don't be putting 87 octane in here. And there's that amazing engine. Looks pretty good, right? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's kind of neat. So it just... All right, now it's locked in place. You're just going to turn this like that. And that kind of goes over like that. And there's your plug right there. So yeah, so technically, yeah, you can charge it up if you want. and charge your little Audi up. All right, everybody, let us know. What do you think about the Audi e-tron? Is this something that you would consider buying versus buying a Tesla? Is it something you would buy versus buying a Chevy Bolt or Volt, a Nissan Leaf, other hybrid cars, a Prius? You know, I guess for those folks out there that are diehard Volkswagen, Porsche, Audi, maybe this right here is a great option for you because it keeps you in the umbrella of the Volkswagen family. You know, maybe you don't want to go and buy some other off-brand. Maybe you want to stay in the Audi brand, right? Well, Audi's offering hybrid cars like this to you. So anyways, it's a nice option there for somebody that really wants to stay in the Audi brand and maybe not veer off to different ones, right? Or maybe you've already veered off and bought other cars, and maybe you like the look of this and the design of it. Or maybe, just maybe you've never owned a car like this before, and maybe you found something like this and you said to yourself, all right, I'm gonna give it a try. It's 18,000 bucks or so. Let's try it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.